Hello, good morning everyone. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas po sa ating lahat. Today is December 25, 2025 here in California, USA. Ayan guys, ang mga bata ay tulog pa. Kaya ako nagbibideo ngayon ng maaga, no? So once again, this is your California Pinay Grandma saying have a blessed Merry Christmas 2025 to everyone. Ayan guys, ito ang ating Santa Claus. Ayan, andito naman ang ating gingerbread. So today is the gift giving here sa aming home sweet home, sa aming mga members ng pamilya, lalo na sa aming mga apo. Ayan, they really believe that Santa Claus is coming. Santa Claus came last night, no? So ayan, binigyan ang mga kiddos ng mga regalo. So we have some presents here for everyone here in the family, no, friends. Ayan, special to our grandkids, to our grandchildren. Ayan guys, Christmas na Christmas ang dating natin dito. So ayan, babatiin ko po ang lahat ng aking mga subscribers sa aking YouTube channel. Have a blessed Christmas to everyone. Aking mga followers sa aking FB Reels, no? Ayan. Merry Christmas. Greetings from your California Pinay Grandma. So ayan guys, let's have a tour here in our home sweet home. So this is our living room. So ayan, may malaking regalo doon kanina, kaya ayan. It's huge, no? So ayan guys. Okay. So tutur ko kayo saglit sa aming home sweet home. Kasi maraming nagre-request na itutur ko daw sila sa loob ng bahay. So hello my love. Hello. My beloved husband. Good morning. Merry Christmas my love. Ayan, ang ating kitchen guys. So, I'm drinking my coffee this time guys. Hindi ko pa naubos. Take lang ako muna ako ng video. Oh, time check is 6:51, no? In the morning here in 6:51 in the morning here in California. Today is Thursday, December 25. And we have to go to church this morning. We're going to join the mass celebration in Guadalupe Church here in Latrobe, California. So ayan guys, ito yung ating home sweet home. So ayan guys, nandito yung ating countdown calendar ng aming mga apo. Ayan guys. So Merry Christmas to everyone. And have a prosperous New Year 2026, no? So ayan guys. Ito yung aming dining table. So we are 8. So that's why 8 chairs. Pero ito pwede itong madagdagan pa kasi this is a 10 seaters table. So ayan guys. Merry Christmas. So sa mga kapatid ko dyan sa Cagayan de Oro City, Manoy Manong Janet Susan Edith, to all my pamangkins, my relatives and friends, have a blessed Christmas 2025 sa inyong lahat. So, to all the Filipinos of California, Merry Christmas! Thanks for watching. To all my sister-in-laws, Merry Christmas! Ayan. So, thanks for watching guys. Bye!